Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison said internal border closures were unlikely to be lifted before Christmas, as the country on Monday reported a record single-day rise in COVID-19 deaths. There was, however, some evidence that drastic lockdown measures in the city of Melbourne were having an effect, with daily new infections in the state of Victoria slowing to a near 2-week low. Victoria State, which is home to Melbourne, the country's second biggest city, and the epicentre of its second coronavirus wave, reported 19 people had died from the virus over the past 24 hours. With other states yet to report daily new case and death numbers, the number already marks the country's biggest single-day rise in fatalities. Melbourne, home to nearly 5 million people, has been in lockdown since early July, with people largely confined to their homes and businesses shuttered. State Premier Daniel Andrews said on Monday he understood frustrations but declined to put an end date on the lockdown. With around 21,000 COVID-19 cases and 314 deaths, Australia has still recorded fewer infections and fatalities than many other developed nations. It was considered a global leader early in the pandemic when it was swift to close its international border, impose social distancing restrictions, and implement mass virus testing. But as the country began to reopen, community transmissions rose significantly in Victoria, where triple-digit daily new cases have now been recorded for weeks. Authorities are worried that the spike in cases in Victoria has already spread to other states despite border closures.